What's up, sis? It's your girl Kia Money back at it again with another video. And no, I don't have on a wig. This is absolutely my real hair. So today I'm coming back with a wig video, and this hair is from Dolago, the leading hair retailer in the world. Okay. So first impressions when I pulled this wig out of the box, I'm like, this wig is thick as hell. Like, not in a bad way, but I'm like, wow, I've never had a wig this thick. At first, I just thought, I don't know, it was like heavy a little bit when I took it out. So I'm like, is there something inside of the wig that I wasn't expecting? But no, the wig was just beyond thick. Thick. Period. So if you're looking for a nice thick unit, this is the one for you, because I double checked, and this density is a 250% density. I'll say that one more time, 250% density. Holla at them if you need that. Inside the box they got a wig cap. We can never have too many. And then they also have a little card. Okay. I'm thinking about doing with this young moment because she is like a wavy kind of texture. And she also is nice and thick. I'm thinking about doing a nice wet look with her just straight brushed to the back. Because as you can see, the hairline, it looks a little wonky since the lace is still on there right now. But once I cut her, I could tell just like the kind of vibe she's gonna give. And I feel like this, straight to the back, like brushed like a little, I don't want to say it because I don't want that to be offensive. I don't think it would be, but I'm just going to be on the safe side. But just a little slick back kind of moment. That's what this is giving me. My head itch. Do your head itch? Okay, bad. Side of the wig, we have my head. I don't know what it is, but a wig. I don't even remember what wig I had on yesterday, but it was probably my wig cap. It was obviously way too tight because I have a knot here and it's bruising. So that's kind of like how my life is going at the moment. I'm over it, okay? With a capital O and a whole bunch of U's. It does not have any U's in it. Okay, anyways. There is a lot of lace on this moment. That looks like it's about... That looks a little bit over 6 inches. Am I lying? That's a lot of lace. Y'all see the little zigzag moment that's going on in the inside? I don't know what that's about. On the side, we probably got about an inch, 1.5 inches of parting space on the side. But there is a lot in the middle. And no, the knots are not bleached. But that is okay. Knot on my head is really bothering me. Why is that even a thing right now? I want to, this wig is so thick, y'all. And in the back, since this is a bob moment, in the back it is a little bit shorter than it is in the front, but that's fine because that's what we want. If you're looking for a bob wig, that's the move, okay? So I want to casually go wet her up, cut the lace, and I'm gonna be back because this little slick back moment kind of thing, that style probably would take all of what, 6 seconds, period. I don't know why I didn't grab me a brush. I did wet her already, and I cut the lace, obviously. And I need a brush. Okay, she's wet. And now I have a brush. So since I do want this like slick back kind of moment, I don't want to use gel because that's not the slick back look that I'm talking about. That's slick back, yes, but I don't want that kind of slick back. I want like soft, cute waves, you know, something doable. She's not glued down yet in the front, so don't judge. But gel, that's not the moment, okay? That's not the look at all. Love it. It smells so good, and it's the Pantene. I've shown y'all that a few times before in my videos. That's the Pantene foaming conditioner. It smells so good. So we got step 1 done, and that was the slick back motion. That was the brush back and the conditioner. Now we just need to do our baby hairs real wispy and subtle. And it's look. I already started on this side of my head. the top of my forehead is acting crazy, sis. I don't know what's going on with her. And this was actually an accident, that little piece of my face. But I'm actually kind of feeling it, so I'm gonna like work around it. So let's get this in check real quick. See, I lied about that. I lied about that piece. Red is so tender right here. Ooh, what is going on? Give me my props, period. So this is it right here. And that conditioner that we use is gonna keep her just like this. And who got a problem? And then she's thick too, so like even though she's wet, she's not like see-through. We like that. We like that, period. Don't lift up on the side now. We don't want the liftage. So yeah, if you did want to pick this, she's pissing me off right here on the side. I'm not gonna lie. Give me a second. I didn't even want to have to do that, but she was pissing me off. Anyways, if you did want to pick up this moment and do one of these kind of things, she will be in the description box down below, of course. And make sure y'all check out their Instagram. Check out their website. See what you like. Just browse a little bit. See what they got. And if you did want to follow me while you're at it, my social medias, all my other social medias are actually Keumani. Keumani. Yeah, that's me. Now, it was great seeing you on this lovely evening. But I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye, sissy.